I made this video will be iwe. I want information now. You learn on this video. You know here. Our property Pine Live Estates and Properties Limited. You know, I don't know. Umu Igbo, they are not taking up the opportunities Pine Live in everything. Why? Now, look at this property. We have a price increase. A price increase for this particular property. Jidemma. Area na promo price 14 million naira. Na n'izuru ya na 14 million naira. Emegi nozo. Enyegi free keke, free shuttle bus. Free shuttle bus. Free shuttle bus. Ma when you go to this property, there Jidemma with free shuttle bus. Now another one 2.5 million naira Ugochi Mereze all the Enugu states. Nigoro nke nyegi abarais nyegi granotoi nyegi ezibo granotoi, that's as incentive the name. Now these properties now Umu Igbo abankit, a lot of people in contact abankit. Now these things are main increase. Nke area 40 million naira promo price, kedi here area na 25 million naira. Ogube. Then nka area 2.5 million naira, kedi here on 8 million naira. Now you see, since I'm not more I need to see that Pine Live Estates and Properties Limited, the interested in our Umu Igbo. And I don't know why many more people are not taking the advantage of these real estate deals. Pine Live here with us. Why? Ask yourself why. Or we jire ego ko wojo. Can you as I could be a wurudike. You don't just carry money and lump inside the bank. I want them 30 million naira na access banking, 50 million naira na Zenith, 80 million naira na Fidelity. Nonsense. Rubbish. You don't have money if you are not investing it. If you are not investing all those money, you don't have a dime. Well, let this be a lesson. Now, that's a property. Na 40 million naira plus free shuttle bus. He has here na 25 million naira. Bet me, he has here na 25 million naira and without any shuttle bus. When we will open your eyes and shine your eyes, make investments, bank your money in land. Pine Live now where you see, land banking is a must. It's a must for you if you must liberate yourself from poverty. Yeah. Next time we will any deal from Pine Live Estates and Properties Limited, acquire promo. Just double wiki. Yes, double wiki. Do the deal and secure your tomorrow, secure your future. Thank you and God bless. Done.